Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having best-in-class fuel economy, low miles. Features also include heated seats, parking sensors, rear view camera, heated mirrors, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. We are pleased to show you the 2017 Rogue. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.5-liter engine, and comes with a continuously variable transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: blind spot monitor, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, power liftgate, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer. Inside you'll find navigation system, backup camera, heated steering wheel, keyless entry, satellite radio, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, keyless start, premium sound system.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.